I've got this Corsair M65 PRO RGB mouse, and it squeaks like a real mouse. That's the mouse wheel. Anyway, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to figure out a way to make it stop doing that. I bought this kit at Harbor Freight for $10 because I needed the T6, a Torx head. So this turns out to be really simple. There's 2 screws that I'm using these brand new Torx heads on. Pull those out. And don't lose them. I'm going to use this guitar pick looking thing. You can actually use a guitar pick, but this was made to pull plastic parts apart. And there's a seam right here at the tail of the mouse, and it just pops loose. And once that's loose, it just comes right off. And be careful with that ribbon cable. You don't want that to come detached. I'm going to use a little bit of, this is actually gun cleaning oil for an airsoft gun because it doesn't gum up. And I put it on a Q-tip and I'm going to shove it down there right on the metal axle that wheel spins on, and give it a few turns, and then do the other side as well. That sounds better already. There's 2 little tabs right here up by where the buttons are, and 2 things on the top that go into those tabs. So this is super easy too. You just slide those into the little slots and snap the tail back down. Bang. And put those screws back in that you didn't lose. And that is literally all there is to it. No more squeak. I love the mouse, hate the squeak. Now the squeak is gone. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.